Just 1 second. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Can I get number 2 with a bacon, extra onions, pickles? Can I get 2 slices?
Tell him one more time you need on my drive-thru if he does it.
What's that, sir?
Bye.
What was that? Hello? Okay, also a number 3.
I said I'm done. I'm not taking the order.
What are you talking about? I only understand English.
Get the fuck out of my drive-thru now.
Watch your mouth.
Be like, I just got out of a 12-hour shift.
Fuck you!
Fuck you, bitch.
What was that?
Get the fuck out. Will be called in less than 2 minutes. Be here to arrest your ass.
Yeah, fuck you!